The Epson Projector management software allows you to manage multiple projectors on a network. Click the Detail List tab to check the status of projectors. To check the projectors in a specific projector group, select the group from the group list. Click the Grouping View tab to check projector groups. Click the Error List tab to view projectors that are currently showing an error or warning status. Click the Update List tab to view projectors that have firmware updates available. To change monitoring preferences, select Tool, then Environment Setup. You can select various monitoring settings in the Monitor tab. In the Display List tab, you can customize the Detail, Error, and Update lists. Select the list you want to customize. To add an item to the list you chose, select it and click the right arrow button. To remove an item from the list, select it and click the left arrow button. To reorder an item in the list, click the up or down arrow button. You can change your email notification settings in the Mail tab. To register a new projector, select Projector, then Projector Registration. To search for the projector across the network, select Automatic Search from the drop-down menu, then click Search. To search for the projector using its IP address, select Manual Search from the drop-down menu. Enter the address, then click Search. To search for the projector over an IP range, select Range Search from the drop-down menu. Enter the start and end IP addresses, then click Search. If you want to search for any projectors that support PJ-Link Class 2, select this checkbox. Select your projector from the list, then enter a display name. You can also select an icon, add the projector to a projector group, or add a description. If the projector is password protected, you must enter its password in order to control it with the Epson Projector management software. When you're done, click Register. To create a new projector group, select Projector, then Group Registration. Enter a display name. You can also select an icon and add the new group to a parent group. When you're done, click Register. To add a projector to a projector group, double-click the projector's icon. Select the group. Then click OK. Click OK.